46. The Sandhills. This is the Makki Surah. It is in the group of surahs that begin with HaMim, and it was revealed in the middle Makkan period. This surah has 35 verses in 4 sections. The surah gives warning to those who deny the truth. When Allah's punishment comes, then neither the sea nor the dry land can protect. There is a reference in the surah to the people of Ad and Allah's punishment for their sins. Introduction to the sections. Number 1. Allah sent down the Qur'an and He has created the heaven and earth. The gods of Shirk have created nothing. Is there any proof for Shirk? The truth of this revelation is manifest. Number 2. The Qur'an verifies the previous revelations. Number 3. The fate of Ad. Number 4. Warnings to those who deny the truth. A group of Jinn accept the message. Be patient in giving the message of Allah.